Hello everyone, it's Dale here, and today I'd like to talk about stop loss and take profit placement, and I'll demonstrate this on trade I'm currently in. It is Euro Canadian dollar. You are looking at 30-minute time frame. This is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators, and I'm currently trading this long level. If you remember, I shot a video about it and sent it over to you yesterday. That level was based on this significant volume cluster which formed within this strong rejection of lower prices. So this is the reasoning behind the long from here. Stop loss of this trade was in here below the wick of this candle. This is where I place my stop loss orders. There are two rules which I follow. The first rule is the stop loss should be behind heavy volume zone. This was the heavy volume zone. And the second rule is place the stop loss below swing point. This is the swing point. So placing stop loss in here, let me print a line there, is in line with both those conditions. All right, it is behind heavy volume zone and at this swing point. Now, let's talk a bit about take profit. Take profit in this case is in here. And the reason why I placed the profit in here, well, there are actually more reasons. Let me first start with volume profile, because volume profile is my most favorite tool for identifying trade entries and also for finding good places to quit the trade. So as you can see, there is sort of a volume vacuum in here, right? You can see that on the volume profile. And then heavy volume zone is right above it. This heavy volume zone could potentially work as a resistance. Right, so that's why I printed the line at the beginning of that heavy volume zone, and it could work as a resistance because those volumes could be sellers who were accumulating their shorts here before pushing the price downwards. So potential sellers could be here and they could be defending this heavy volume zone. So that's reason number one for this take profit placement. Reason number two is that the price reacted to this zone in the past. In here and in here. What this is telling us is that this level worked as a support in the past. And that support turned into a resistance when the price blew past that. So in here it turned into a resistance. All right, so that's price action setup, which is telling me that there could be a reaction. And I don't want to trade that because I'm in a long trade now, right? So I don't want to risk that. I don't want to risk that the price will turn here and go against me. So I want to quit the trade here. This is a very risky zone to hold longs through. So that's why I want to quit the trade here. And finally, third reason for this take profit placement is if you look at first deviation of VWAP, that's this gray line, that's first deviation of VWAP, then it's very close to the level. It's currently heading downwards, and price likes to react to this first deviation of VWAP, especially when it's combined with price action setups like this one, or with volume profile setups like this one. So this is another reason why I want to quit the trade here, because the price could react to the first deviation of the VWAP, which would work as a resistance, and the price could go downwards and react, right? Because it would react to the first deviation of VWAP. So those are the three reasons why I want to quit the trade in here before the price reaches this heavy volume zone, before it reacts to this former support which turned into a resistance, and before it hits this first deviation of VWAP. All right. So if you are in this trade and you manage to watch this video before the price reaches this zone, then my advice would be quit the trade in here, because it would be very, very risky to push your luck and hope that the price will just go past this strong resistance and go up. All right, the risk is too high. So that's how I go about planning my take profits. What I want to have is positive risk reward ratio. So in this case, you can see that the take profit is bigger than potential loss. What I prefer is trading with risk reward ratio somewhere from 1 to 2. I usually don't go for more than 2. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, VWAP trading, price action trading, or day trading with order flow, then I recommend visiting my website. It is at trader-dale.com, and currently I'm running a special Black Friday sale. If you click this button, it will take you to this special page, and in the next 2 days you can get my best educational and indicator packs massively discounted. This one is the Elite pack. It will teach you everything about volume profile trading. And this one is the order flow pack, which will teach you everything about order flow trading. Both those packs include video training, indicators, dedicated tech support, basically everything that you will need. If you want both, then scroll down a bit, and in here there is a very special offer where you can get both those together, Elite plus the order flow. Alright, so that's about that. That's about the special Black Friday deal ending in 2 days. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.